Hey everyone, welcome back to Decorio Studio. As winter fades away, it's time to refresh our spaces with the light and airy charm of spring. Instead of packing away your winter decorations, why not give them a whole new life? In today's video, we're sharing 12 easy DIY ideas to upcycle your cozy winter decor into vibrant, springtime beauty. From wreath makeovers to floral lanterns, these creative transformations will bring fresh energy into your home without spending a fortune. Stick around for step-by-step tips, and let's turn those frosty accents into a blooming spring wonderland. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Idea number 1. From frosty wreath to floral delight. Winter wreaths adorned with pine cones and frosty elements can easily transition into spring with a touch of color. Remove winter elements like artificial snow or holiday ornaments, and replace them with pastel flowers, faux greenery, and small decorative butterflies or bees. Use floral wire to attach new elements securely. If your wreath is made of evergreen branches, wrap it with a soft, airy ribbon in shades of blush, mint, or lavender. This transformation instantly brings a breath of fresh air to your entryway or wall decor, celebrating the renewal of spring. Idea number 2. Revamp your snowy centerpieces into floral arrangements. Winter centerpieces often include evergreen branches, pine cones, and silver accents. To refresh them for spring, swap out evergreens for cherry blossoms, hydrangeas, or tulips. Use a light-colored vase or repurpose a white-painted mason jar for a rustic touch. Incorporate small bird figurines or speckled faux eggs to symbolize the season. Adding soft candlelight with pastel-colored candles will elevate the charm, making it perfect for a springtime brunch or dining table display. Idea number 3. Transform snowy lanterns into a springtime glow. Winter lanterns filled with pine cones and fairy lights can be reimagined with springtime elements. Remove the wintry fillers and replace them with pastel faux flowers, moss, or even decorative bird nests. Add a soft yellow or pink candle for a warm glow. Placing these lanterns on a porch, windowsill, or as a table centerpiece brings an effortless spring ambience into your space. Idea number 4. Refresh your winter garlands into spring foliage. Garlands made of evergreen branches and pine cones can be refreshed for spring with vibrant new elements. Remove the winter-themed pieces and replace them with eucalyptus, faux peonies, or delicate wildflowers. Twisting in pastel ribbons or fairy lights enhances the fresh aesthetic. You can drape your updated garland along a mantel, staircase, or entryway to brighten up your home with the feeling of new beginnings. Idea number 5. Repaint and reuse wooden winter signs. Rustic wooden winter signs with snowflakes or holiday quotes can be easily upcycled into charming spring decor. Sand down the surface and repaint it with a fresh pastel hue like mint green, soft pink, or sky blue. Add a hand-painted floral motif or a sweet springtime phrase like Hello Spring or Bloom and Grow. You can also use floral stencils for a polished look. Hang the transformed sign in your kitchen, entryway, or patio for a delightful seasonal touch. Idea number 6. Transform winter throw pillows with spring covers. Winter-themed throw pillows featuring snowflakes, plaid, or deep winter tones can be refreshed with new slipcovers. Opt for floral prints, gingham, or solid pastel colors to instantly create a lighter, airier feel. If you enjoy DIY sewing, consider repurposing old fabric into custom covers. Mixing and matching different patterns and textures will bring a cozy yet vibrant spring aesthetic to your living space. Idea number 7. Upcycle mason jars from snowy decor to floral vases. Mason jars that once held fairy lights or pine cones during winter can be repurposed into beautiful spring floral vases. Clean them out and paint them in pastel shades or wrap them with twine for a rustic touch. Fill them with fresh or faux flowers like daffodils, lilacs, or tulips. Arrange them as a centerpiece, line them on a windowsill, or use them as adorable shelf decorations. Idea number 8. Turn winter branches into a blossoming display. Bare branches used in winter decor can be easily transformed into a striking spring statement piece. Spray paint them white, blush, or light green and attach faux cherry blossoms or small butterflies for a whimsical effect. Arrange them in a tall vase to create an elegant display perfect for an entryway, dining table, or mantel. Idea number 9. Transform snowflake candle holders into floral light accents. Winter candle holders with snowflake cutouts can be easily refreshed for spring by adding pressed flowers or painting them in pastel hues. For glass holders, use decoupage techniques to attach dried flowers, creating a soft and natural glow when the candle is lit. This adds a gentle warmth and elegance to your springtime decor. Idea number 10. Reimagine a winter village into a springtime fairy garden. Miniature winter village with snowy rooftops can be transformed into a magical spring fairy garden. Remove the snow elements and repaint the houses in pastel shades. Add miniature flowers, tiny fences, and small fairy figurines to create an enchanting scene. Place the fairy garden on a shelf or in a terrarium for a charming spring display. Idea number 11. Refresh winter doormats with a spring makeover. Doormat with winter motifs can be refreshed for spring with a little DIY creativity. Use outdoor paint to add floral designs, a cheerful greeting like "Welcome Spring," or stencil a botanical pattern onto the mat. This simple update brightens your entrance and makes your home feel instantly ready for the new season. Idea number 12. Repurpose winter-themed mugs into spring planters. Mugs with wintry designs can find a second life as adorable spring planters. Fill them with soil and plant small flowers, succulents, or fresh herbs. Arrange them on a windowsill or shelf to bring greenery into your space. This charming DIY project breathes new life into seasonal kitchenware while adding a refreshing springtime touch. That's all the 12 easy DIYs to transform winter decor into fresh spring charm.